Hello friends, this is the class on cosine and sine rules in trigonometry, and I will be discussing that when and how we'll be using your sine rule and cosine rule. So I will be starting with the sine rule. Here a triangle is given. This is the angle A, this is the angle B, and this is the angle C. The side opposite to the angle A is A, the side opposite to the angle B is B, the side opposite to the angle C is C. Now, in case of sine rule, the expression is like this: sine A by A is equal to sine B by B is equal to sine C by C. So now, or you can also this is one expression. You can also write another expression, that is A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C. Alright, so these are the two expressions. So now when you will be using the sine rule, so in a kind of a math where two angles and one side is given, or the second condition where two sides and one opposite angle is given. Opposite angle means suppose this side C and this side A is given, then opposite angle means A or C. This angle A is opposite to the side A, this angle C is opposite to the sine C. So when in a condition where a side that is opposite to one angle is given, then it's a clear hint that you have to use the sine rule. That means when one side, this C, is given and this opposite angle is C, or vice versa, when angle C and the opposite side B is given, or the angle A and the opposite side A is given, then you have to use the sine rule. Now in sine rule, sometimes you have to find out the side, or you have to find out the angles. So when you have to find out the angle, then you have to use this expression, this number one expression, this one, where the angle is this sine A and the sides are this. In all the cases, here is the angle, here is the side, here is the angle, and here is the side. When you have to find out the side, then you use the inverse expression of this sine rule. This is the side, this is the angle, this is the side, and this is the angle, this is the side, and this is the angle. So first you have to identify when you have to use the sine rule. When you have identified that, then you have to find out that what they have asked you, whether they have asked you to find out the side, then you will be using the first expression. When they have asked you to find out the angle, then you have to use this second expression. So I guess it is now has become a little bit clear to you about this sine rule. And now I will be going to the next one, that is the cos rule. The cos rule is same. This is the triangle. Here is the angle A, here is the angle B, here is the angle C. Opposite to the angle A is the A, opposite to the angle B is the B, and opposite to the angle C is the C. And this cos rule expression is for the side A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. For the side B, it is A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. And for the side C, it is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Now, what this means when you can use this cos rule? The first condition is that when two sides, suppose this side C and side B is given, you have to understand what is the meaning of this included angle. Included angle is a very important word that you should understand before using this cos rule. This side C is given. I want to use a different color so that it will be easy for you to understand. This side C is given, and this side B is given. So the angle between them is this. This is the angle between them. This angle A, I'm talking about this angle. So this is the included angle between the two sides C and this B. So if this is the side B and this is the side C, then this is the included angle, and here A is the included angle. Alright, so in a situation where you have to find this condition is given, that like they have given you the included angle and two sides, then it is a very clear indication that you have to use the cos rule. Now there are some more conditions, like when three sides are given, then you can also use this cos rule. Or when two sides are given and one included angle, this is the included angle. When one included angle is given, I have told you the included angle, then it's a clear indication that you have to use the cos rule. So I guess now it can differentiate that when you have to use the sine rule, when you have to use the cos rule. The sine rule is when one angle and the opposite side is given, then you have to use the sine rule. And when you will be using the cos rule, when two sides are given and one included angle is given, or maybe three sides are given, then you have to use this cos rule. Now to measure the length of a side, then you will be using this first three expression of the cos rule. This is to find out the side A, this is to find out sine B, this is to find out the side C. Alright, so to find out the sides, you will be using this expression, and when you have to find out the angle, then the expression is a bit different, but it is derived from this equation only. So suppose I'm writing this one equation, that is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc into cos A. In this condition, how you can find out the angle? So here a square is a square minus b square minus c square is equal to minus 2bc cos A. It is just a simple math, and if you understand the equations and all, so it is very easy why I did that. I just took this b and c to the opposite side of the equation, so I changed the signs. So now I have to take away this minus sign, so I am taking it common, and now here it is b square plus c square minus a square, and here is 2bc cos A. Now you can write b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc is equal to cos A. So this is the important expression that you can use when you have to find out the angle while using this cos rule. So this is the cos A expression. When I have to find out the angle of A, then you can use this expression. Likewise, you can also do the same for cos B and for cos C. The way I did it is very similar. All right, so I can write down this expression by in this way, where it is b square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac into cos B. From there you can write b square minus a square minus c square is equal to minus 2ac cos B, and then a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac is equal to cos B. So here you can write that a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac is equal to cos B, and in case of cos c, you can write a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. 2ab is equal to cos c. In this way, you can find out the angles while using the cos rule. So I think that these videos were